If your free value could raise the dead, you should probably charge more than a large pizza. You're not generous. You're just afraid to ask. And the universe is tired of picking up the tab. Your nervous system isn't broken. It's just allergic to undercharging and over-delivering. Want a coach without going broke or feral? Click subscribe. Join the Eveolution. Raise your rates. Respect your magic.
You don't have a niche. You have an emotional rescue mission.
You've spent more time on your logo than your launch. You're charging $99 for a full transformation? Babe, that's not a price. That's a cry for help. Spiritual? Yes. Strategic? Not even a little bit. You don't pivot. You panic in cursive. If you won't show your face, don't be shocked when no one shows up. You're not building a business. You're building a self-help hostage situation. Your spirit is rich. Your calendar is crying. You're not bad at sales. You're just scared to be told no. What do you actually do, besides mystify and exhaust your audience? "12 lead magnets, but 0 connection. You already know what to do. You just keep looking for reasons not to. Stop blaming the tech. The software's not scared. You are. You want them to invest in themselves? First, invest in yourself. Raise your rates. Still undercharging and calling it spiritual? Baby, the divine is not broke, and neither should you be. You're not too much. You're undercharging. Join the Eveolution. Let's build a business that pays you back.